Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arada Kafil Nurpatwa and my friend Farid Ahmad Safasya. Today I want to present about different 6 articles. Number 1, title of articles: The impact of artificial intelligence on the development of student listening and speaking skills. A case of secondary schools in Georgia. Writer and year: Natella Doghonez and Eliza Kinsurashvili, 2024. The aim of this study was to explore the effects of AI intervention on students' listening and speaking proficiency, as well as to identify the factors that contribute to their effectiveness. Method: the method is research methodology, involves a mixed methods approach combining quantitative and qualitative data collection. Findings: AI-based applications have emerged as potential tools for language learning and teaching. The findings inform educators, curriculum developers, and policymakers about the potential benefits and considerations associated with adopting AI-based tools for fostering student listening and speaking skills. Research gap: there have been few studies on its role in the development of speaking and listening skills and how AI can change the inspiration and ability develop perceived language skill. Possible research: the results also shed light on the future direction of AI integration in language education and offer recommendations for optimizing its implementation to ensure maximum benefits from students. Number 2, the title of articles: The application of deep learning-based artificial intelligence in changing English listening and speaking skill. Writer and year: Muhammad Eka Zwanda and Gumarpi Rahis Pasaribu, 2025. Aim: the study aims to examine the application of deep learning-based artificial intelligence in enhancing students' English listening and speaking skills. Method: the study employed a quasi-experimental research design with a pre-test and post-test control group approach. Findings: the findings revealed that students in the experimental group saw significantly greater improvement in listening comprehension and speaking performance than those in the control group. The use of AI-based instruction contribute to improve pronunciation accuracy, fluency, and confidence in oral communication. Research gap: despite the growing use of AI in education, empirical studies focus specifically on the application of deep learning-based AI to improve listening and speaking English in EFL context remain limited. And last, possible research: the findings of this study are expected to contribute to the growing body of research on AI-assisted language learning and offer practical implications for integrating advanced technologies into English language teaching. And number 3, the title of articles is Using AI Platforms to Improve Listening and Speaking Skills in ESL Primary Students. Writer and year: Anet Vincent, Melor NG Yunus, and Nur Ehsan Mod Said, 2025. The study aims to evaluate the role of AI-driven interactive platforms addressing the challenges related to listening and speaking skills among ESL primary language learnings. Method: A mixed methods approach was used in this study. Examined the difficulties ESL primary language learners encountered when speaking and listening, as well as the efficiency of AI-driven platforms in enhancing these abilities. Finding: results revealed a 25% improvement in speaking fluency and 30% increase in listening comprehension among the AI tool group. The overall finding indicate that the AI tool group demonstrate significant improvement across all measured activities. And research gap: traditional classroom methods may not provide sufficient exposure to dynamic and contextualized language practice, leaving learners inadequately prepared for real-world communication. And the last, possible research. The possible research is by identifying these challenges and assessing the effectiveness of AI-driven tools. The research seeks to provide insight into how such platforms can revolutionize language education and enhance learning outcomes for ESL students.
Next, number 4, research on the application of artificial intelligence technology in primary school English listening and speaking interaction. The writer by Yawei Shi 2025. The aim is the study investigates AI application in primary English listening and speaking interaction under China's update curriculum framework. It aims to explore the current status of AI technology application in English listening and speaking teaching in Chinese primary school, touch a systematic review and analysis of existing literature. The method this study used a systematic review and literature analysis method to examine the implementation of AI technology in English listening and speaking interaction in Chinese primary schools. And findings: AI technology such as speech recognition, language processing, and adaptive learning system demonstrate pedagogical value by providing real-time pronunciation feedback, personalized learning practice, and interactive engagement. And research gap: existing studies mostly focus on higher education, while studies at the primary school level are still limited and fragmented. And possible research: future research can focus on developing a balanced interaction approach that combines AI tools with teacher-led interaction in primary school English education. Next, number 5, ESL learners' perception of AI application for improving listening and speaking skills. Writers by Zahir Ahmed Bango and Shahid Nawaz 2026. And the aim: this study investigates undergraduate ESL learners' perception of the effectiveness of AI tools in enhancing learning and speaking proficiency. The method: the study employed a quantitative research design involving 100 undergraduate ESL learners from public and private higher education institutions on selected through a non-random sampling technique. The findings indicate that most participants owned smartphones suitable for academic use and reported confident in improving their English listening and speaking skill. However, intellectual challenges such as inconsistent internet connection and limited device access negatively affected learners' engagement and perception. And research gap, many ESL learners still face low confidence, fear of making mistakes, and limited opportunities to interact with proficient English speakers, especially in the Pakistani ESL context. Next, possible research. Further studies can investigate how AI applications help local ESL learners overcome communication anxiety, improve confidence, and increase interaction opportunities in English learning environment. Next, number 6, artificial intelligence is tools to practice and improve speaking and listening skill in English. Written by Onesimo Vitor Matos Reis, 2026. The main purpose of this study is to analyze ways to develop English oral production and comprehension skill by using the practical artificial intelligence application. The method, this study uses a qualitative and exploratory research approach to describe ways of improving English oral production and comprehension skill touch AI application. Next, finding. The finding identified several ways AI can improve learners' oral production and comprehension skill, such as comprehension simulation, exposure to various topic, pronunciation practice, linguistic variation, and feedback on oral communication skills. The research gap, the study found limitation in AI applications for comprehensional skill development. Restriction in free application features and limited literature related to this topic. The possible research. Future research can further or explore the use of AI for autonomous English communication practice and investigate how AI continuously supports learners in improving communication skill independently. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.